Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create landing page with 10Web AI. If you already have a website built with 10Web AI and want to quickly create a landing page for a product or campaign, there's an even easier way. Just ask the AI to do it for you. Instead of building the page manually, 10Web's AI assistant can generate a complete landing page based on your request. To begin, open your browser and log into your dashboard on 10Web AI Website Builder. If you haven't already created a website, go ahead and generate one using the AI Builder. Once your website is ready, you'll be taken into the editor interface. Inside the editor, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the AI Assistant chat feature. Now, instead of manually adding a new page, you can simply tell the AI what you want. In the chat box, type a prompt such as, "Create a landing page for my product," "Build a landing page for a special offer," or a more specific version depending on your goal. After entering your request, send the message. The AI will process your prompt and automatically generate a landing page for your website. This usually includes a headline section, call to action buttons, images or visual sections, and a night. Within a few moments, the landing page will be added to your site. Once the page is generated, you can click on it and start editing. You can customize text and headlines, images and visuals, buttons and call to actions, as well as layout sections. Even after the page is created, you can continue using the AI assistant to refine specific sections or improve content. For example, you can ask the AI to rewrite headlines, improve descriptions, adjust layout ideas. This makes the process faster and more flexible compared to manual design. After customizing your landing page, preview it to ensure everything looks good and functions properly. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your landing page live. Using 10Web AI Website Builder allows you to create landing pages instantly just by describing what you want, saving time and effort. To summarize, creating a landing page with 10Web AI involves opening your existing website, using the AI assistant in the lower left corner, asking it to create a landing page, and then customizing the generated result before publishing. This method makes it incredibly fast to build high-quality landing pages without manual setup. And that's how to create a landing page with 10Web AI. By simply asking the AI assistant to generate a page for you, you can quickly build and launch landing pages for your campaigns. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.